I'll show you something. These are all the parts packs left after this project. Quite a few. It took me over a year to rebuild this bike. It hasn't seen the road for at least a decade. So I figured it needed a proper maiden adventure. Right after I finished the bike, I loaded it into my van and we hit the road. Customs control. To the Swiss Alps. Over 1,000 kilometers across half the country we rode, just me and the bike. We climbed to the 1600-meter summit, visited some vineyards and lakes and waterfalls, all without a single hiccup. And from all the bikes I've ridden across the years, this one was my favorite. There's a special bond forming between man and the machine after this kind of project. The bond some may never feel or understand. The bond that may become extinct with people just throwing away broken things these days. With things being made just dull and disposable, not worth attention. With people losing interest in manipulating things from the real, tangible world, in understanding them. But as long as there is a man cranking those bolts in his cave, the era hasn't ended. Old solid stuff will survive. This culture will survive.